Good morning, YouTube. It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and today I'm doing some three-phase carpet cleaning out in the Portland area. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to rehash some of the SEO tactics that I've been using. I have been using them in the past, and then I kind of ran across a way that kind of improved it and made a huge difference with the SEO value of YouTube videos. Now, pretty much if you're in the business, you probably have a Yelp business page set up as well. So that's kind of what I'm going to go over real quick right now, is how to combine both Yelp and Google into your YouTube videos. And one way to do that is, have you noticed, like when you go to Google and you start typing in, let's say, any service or whatever you do, it kind of like will autofill what you're typing. It's sort of like a guess or whatever as to what you're trying to type in. Well, in that list that drops down, that autofill list, that is actually an index list of terms that people actually search for. So those, if you type in carpet cleaning, you'll notice it'll put carpet cleaning services, professional carpet cleaning, it'll pull up a whole list of stuff, and those are things that people have actually searched for. So when you're doing a video or a blog or writing something, those are words and phrases that you want to use, because those are the phrases that Google has identified with the carpet cleaning industry. And so the same thing applies to Yelp. If you go to Yelp and you type in, for instance, area rug cleaning, you'll get area rug cleaning, area rugs, rug cleaning, area rug cleaning services, and that sort of stuff. So one thing you can do is pull a word or a phrase out that is used by both Yelp and Google and key in that search phrase, because then you're actually keying in something that is used by both of them, because the two companies are in cahoots with one another. So so in your YouTube video, if you put a link from your video with a title of that key phrase, and you put a link going back to your business Yelp page, and then you also have another one with a link going to your Google My Business account as well, and have that in the body of the description of your video, that will help to rank both your your Google presence and your Yelp presence as well. I mean, it's pretty crazy at how that will up your ranking on both of those platforms. So that's what I did last night. I keyed in rug cleaning, Happy Valley, and it literally went to first page on both Google and on Yelp. I believe it came under number 4, but if you look for like rug cleaning services or something like that in Happy Valley area, Clackamas area, and pretty much all around, it comes up as number 1. So that's just something that you can play around with. I hope this wasn't too boring for you guys, but that is an easy way. It is a little time consuming to get it down pat, but it is a pretty easy way to boost your own SEO at no cost. So in the evenings when I work on it, I look at it as being my marketing time. So I'm able to do my marketing time in the evening when I don't have anything else to do, or I can be paying some company $500 a month to be doing it for me. You kind of weigh the pros and cons there, but I just choose to do it myself because I don't find it that difficult, and I've been doing it for years, and I guess I'm pretty good at it.